Logic is proud to announce the new MSP Pro-Sweep, the paddock sweeper that sets new standards in speed and efficiency in collecting horse muck. Logic has been making paddock sweepers since 1992, and all of this experience has gone into the design of this latest model. Using a sweeper collector is up to 10 times faster than cleaning a paddock by hand with a fork and wheelbarrow, or other paddock cleaning methods such as vacuum systems, making it far easier and more efficient. Easy to use as there is no manual work involved, the Pro-Sweep can be used by any confident operator to carry out vital paddock maintenance tasks as often as you wish. To get maximum benefit from the Pro-Sweep, regular collection of the droppings is essential and should take place at least twice a week or as often as possible. The floating drawbar and safety swivel hitch make the Pro-Sweep easy to attach to any suitable towing vehicle, such as an ATV or 4x4. The remote throttle is unclipped from its parked position and is conveniently placed so it's easily to hand. Setting the machine to the correct height is easy and light. The machine should be set so that the working bristles are just skimming above the ground. If the optional tine bar is required, just set the height using the handle so that the tines disturb any stubborn piles of dropping. The 5.5 horsepower Honda engine is easy to start and is set to idle. The drive only engages when the revs are increased. Then, simply drive the machine to the individual piles, increase the revs to engage the drive and then slowly drive the machine over each pile. The 1.2 metre working width makes this easy and quick. The Pro-Sweep effortlessly clears the droppings into the hopper, which holds the equivalent of 6 wheelbarrows. The low ground pressure wheels minimise damage to soft ground, and the open wheel design stops any mud from clogging the wheels, making the machine an all-year-round performer. When the hopper is full, which is easy to spot through the mesh top, simply drive to the ejection spot. The geared winch makes it easy to empty. Just drive forward with the hopper upright to eject the contents. The MSP Pro-Sweep is shown here collecting dried out piles of horse muck. For your interest, this machine is capable of collecting other debris such as leaves, grass cuttings and twigs. It is also ideal for removing acorns after they have fallen. The MSP120 Pro-Sweep, the best paddock sweeper by far.